Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I know this video is coming out later than usual, but today, guys, we're doing a Slayers Unleashed video because we just had a really big update. Now, we see the new game mode, or the new game passes came out, guys, the new emo packs. I'll see if I can find a video to show you guys because I'm not purchasing these packs, but they are now on sale if you guys want to buy it. I believe the price will go up to around 500 once it comes out, so you guys definitely want to keep an eye for that. While we're going to be playing the new game mode, I'm going to be searching up for a video for it. Don't believe they added anything new in the customization screen. I believe all these faces we already had. Often they'll update like the faces, but pretty sure this time they didn't. So let's go and click play. There's also some new codes that I'm going to be showing you guys. Just hold on. Slayers Unleashed emote pack. I'm looking that up on YouTube, see if I can find any videos of it right now, guys. But I don't believe the update literally came out an hour ago. Actually, I was watching this video at 7, so 2 hours ago, around then. Let me see. Yeah, it was around 2 hours ago. I'll put the codes in the description down below if you guys want to get them. I think I'm just going to use the breathing one, see if I can get something good for us to be able to do the raid. They added so much stuff. Now, these are the moves that we have right now. And I guess we already have, so let's see how they look like, guys. So we have a fall emo. Oh yeah, the animation for this game, I forgot, they're really good. Sit emo and wave emo. Okay. Now let me use some of these codes, guys, because I want to get a better breathing style for us to be able to go and do all of this. So boom. Oh, my bad, I accidentally. Okay, so code, and then there you go. Tanjiro breath 1. Water. Sound. Nah, not sound. 3, love. Water. Love. Thunder. Okay, I think I might keep thunder, actually, because I was planning on making a video with thunder breathing for the Zenitsu character. That's also why my character looks like Zenitsu. So I think I'm gonna keep the Zenitsu character. But why did my sun breathing moves unequip? Do I just always lose them when I buy a new one? I guess that's what happens. So let's equip the sun breathing moves over here. So we already got them equipped. Now I think I'm going to equip. Ooh, okay, so I have to make this list. So I think I need to buy all of them. Actually, not all of them, right? Like, I'm only going to buy the ones that I'm actually going to use, right? So guys, for those who don't know, also the new season for Demon Slayer came out. So comment down below, guys, what are your thoughts on the new Demon Slayer season, guys? I have not watched it. I've read the manga, so I know what's gonna happen, but I have not watched it. Hopefully they did a good adaptation. Now let's get over here this, and let's see. So this one is Heat Lightning. So Heat Lightning teleports to people, I'm guessing. I think that's the one that you teleport to them. Okay, Thunderstorm. I don't think I'm gonna keep that one, honestly, because it's not gonna be very good. So Thunderstorm is definitely not going to be one that I'm going to keep using. Let's check Heat Lightning. I'm going to keep Heat Lightning. Heat Lightning is pretty good. What else? Rice Spirit. I'm pretty sure Rice Spirit is going to be good. And then let's also equip Distant Thunder. And then if I don't like any of them, I'll equip the next one. So Rice Spirit. Okay, and then Distant Thunder. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's actually really good, actually, because I'm trying to get more far range moves. And then Thunder Swarm. I'm going to put it instead of Rice Spirit, and let's see how good it is. Sorry, guys, I haven't played with Thunder Breathing, so I'm not really used to this. So B, oh, this is Thunderstorm. Okay, so Thunderclap and Flash, maybe? Nah, Thunderclap and Flash, 6-fold. Let's go with that, guys. Alright, so we got our moves now, and we're actually not gonna have to go all the way to the boss, guys, because they did update it, and now we have objectives right here. So now we can see exactly where everything is and how many players can go into it. So we got Sagiri Mountain Raid, which actually has no requires, and you can get the Tanjiro Raid, Flaring Blade, which I'm guessing is Tanjiro, sorry. I mean, Nahari, Nichirin, and then Nezuko Hori. You have the Snow Village Raid, where it has also no requirements. Drops Urukadaki Hori, Blood Nichirin, Cloud Nichirin, Chrome Nichirin, and Black Dragon Hori. Swamp Raid, where it drops Swamp Robe, no requirements. Ruby Raid, which has no requirements, and drops the Ruby Robe. Obanai Boss Fight, no Mitsuri, Kokushibu, Moon Breathing, Kokushibu, Kokushibu, 150 at Race Hybrid. Race Human, 150. Just make sure Inosuke boss fight, dual wielding, 600 plus. Okay, so they lowered. It used to be 800 plus. Was that it? The Netsu boss fight, Shinobu, and yeah, final selection. Okay, now let's go and do the new one, which is the Sagiri Mountain Raid. So 500 for us just to get instantly teleported over there. Much easier, honestly, now. But let's just go do it. So we talked to this guy named Kai, and let's go into this. I don't know what to expect. People did say on their Discord that it is the hardest one yet. The Tanjiro and Nezuko boss are the hardest bosses in the game yet. So let's see if they actually are. Can't wait to play these with my friends, especially I got a bunch of friends who left Slayers Unleashed, but bringing them back in with these updates will be very fun. Now open this up. I'm gonna use the Shinobu Nutrient so you get that extra damage, and let's go. So we have one right there. Let's go. Solar Haze. Oh okay, I forgot we're gonna fight Slayers now because it's the Tanjiro raid. Boom. Okay. We're gonna do Distant Thunder. Boom. Oh god, that does a lot of damage. Wow, actually pretty good. Oh wow. Oh, okay. Don't do it. Oh, I forgot he has to charge up. Okay, so that's pretty annoying, but you know, I think we can, if we time it correctly, it should work very good. Oh, look at that. Oh, okay. Oh, pop away. Pop up. What happened to my other sun breathing moves, huh? Where did they go? I have another one, right? It's not just 3 moves. What happened to the dance one? What the heck? Hold on. Did I get like my moves revoked or something? What the hell? Wait, where's the dance? The dancing flash, is it that? Oh, I don't see that. Dancing flash, flash, there's that. And then sunray. Okay, I'm definitely missing sun breathing moves. There was one that I like flew to the sky, right? Like, I swear there was one. Am I missing like a move? Yeah, I'm missing a move. Yeah, they need to fix this glitch ASAP because I need to do my extra move. Because I just remember I do have another move for some reason, but where did it go? Do I only unlock it? Oh, I think it might be a Komodo only move because I had it back when I had Komodo. I remember that. Maybe it's a Komodo only move. That might be why. Oh god. Okay, people. Whoa. Okay. Damn, calm down, people. Calm down. The fact that they have so much health, they're not hard to eat because they're not doing much damage. But it's the annoying part that they have so much health. Okay, that was able to. Okay, I didn't think that was gonna actually be able to make it, but I guess it did. Come on, bro. What are you doing back here, bro? Bro, come on. You're dead. And some of you, bro, you're dead. Oh, never mind. You guys actually are still alive. Okay. Back away with them. Oh god, why did I put my menu? Oh, I keep pulling out my menu by accident. Oh, and dead, right? Bro, just die already. What's wrong with you? You're not beating me. Thank you. And there you go. That's actually a really good way to level up. A lot of XP. Pretty sure this only has 5 waves, so I don't know how hard it's gonna get eventually, but you know, we're just gonna have to keep trying and we'll find out how many there are. Where's everyone else? Are they just not? Oh, okay, there's a time over there. Okay, you know what, we're just gonna get everybody together. Come on, you three. It's probably the best strategy. But yeah, I'm so disappointed that I lost my Komodos because I got Tokito instead because I wanted moon breathing and I didn't feel like grinding because I wasn't getting Tsukini, and Tokito gives you 50% chance for moon breathing, so you know, I had to get that video first. Look at me, bro, guys. I was sacrificing my whole account, my whole Komodo, just to record the video for you guys. That's how much determined I am over here, y'all. And for those who don't know, the next breathing coming into the game is stone breathing, so be excited for that. Hit that, okay, and sunray thrust. Okay, I'm just gonna back away now, and we're just going to, I don't know if that hit everyone, did it? No, it didn't hit everyone. Oh god, okay, so that's why I gotta be careful, like, they don't do much damage, but when they all group up like that, they do a lot of damage, so, you know, it's like, you gotta, like, be careful, you gotta play safe over here, guys. Not safe, but, like, oh, damn, okay. So that's punishing right there. Let's get closer, and boom. There you go. Oh, 2 hits only, what the hell? Okay, hold on, we'll see. Bro, back away. 8 hits, okay. Oh, okay, dang. And then we just... Oh, God, I messed up. I used the wrong move. Heat lightning. Okay, oh, God. Solar flare. Yeah, okay. I think I'm far away right now. Oh, okay. Why did I didn't hit everyone? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, okay. We're gonna use you now, and then we go into boom. There you go. And then heat lightning, and then we go out. We go backwards. We go. Oh, so close. Ah, no, my God, I always get so close. Okay, we're gonna go boom, and then boom, 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 90s. That's doing a lot of damage. Wow. Okay, but it's still taking forever to defeat them. And now I'm about to kill a lot of them probably right now. Ooh, there you go. And then now just these 4. I think I'm gonna pause the next wave, pause the video so it's not so long for you guys, or should I keep it? I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna pause it, and then actually never mind. I'll just keep showing you guys. Good to have a longer video as well, because a lot of you guys were asking me to make longer videos, because usually my videos are kind of short. But guys, comment down if you guys have any other video ideas, whatever the character builds you guys like me to see. Yesterday I posted a Shinobu character build. Depending on how it goes, I might post a Zenitsu character build for tomorrow. It just depends if I can get it or not. Tomorrow's video will come out a little bit later, around 7 o'clock, just like this one, guys, due to the fact that I do have school and I don't have tomorrow's video ready, and I don't have time to record tomorrow's video, so I apologize for that. And oh, we got the Nezuko boss already. Okay, Nezuko, come with me, Nezuko. Come on, Nezuko-chan, Nezuko-chan. We're gonna get over here with everyone else. Come here, buddy. Come here, people. Right here. Thank you. Am I even using the right Nichirin? Wait, I just realized this whole time I've been using the Gyu Nichirin. Oh my God, that's why I've been doing lower damage. Jesus Christ. Okay, well, everyone here. Okay, Nezuko, you gotta stop, Nezuko. Nezuko is actually doing big damage. Okay, Nezuko, okay. Okay, chill. You guys are only winning because of Nezuko right now, guys. Okay, and then we're gonna. Oh my God, I can't use it. Oh, that was so close. I was almost able not to use it. Bro, hit! What the heck? The Nezuko ability is going to stop me from using my abilities, honestly, because I got a long startup. But the problem is, Nezuko's abilities are, like, insanely good right now. Oh my God, bro. She got to chill. How long is it taking for her abilities to go about? Bro, what is this? Bro, okay, hold on. This is why you need more people. One person, I cannot solo this right now. Look at this. Oh my God, chill. Don't get hit that. Okay, yeah, there's no way I'm killing Nezuko, y'all. Unless I get like super lucky right now, I'm not killing Nezuko. Distant Thunders. Boom. Okay, oh my. Oh, I got my Slayer mark. Let's go. I want to see myself. Look at that. Oh, clean. I always love seeing myself with the Slayer mark, bro. It's just so clean. I can't wait for them to add the see-through world into the game, honestly, guys. See-through world, and then when they start adding Upper Moon Demon Arts. Because, like, here's the thing about other Demon Slayer games and what the first Slayers Unleashed from is. Because Slayers Unleashed, they get creative with their thing. Usually, Demon Slayer games like Demon Fall, Demon Slayer RPG 2, Wisteria will die for... Well, they have two reasons why they mostly die. Once is they ran out of ideas because Demon Slayer does not have much stuff to do show. Oh my God, I died. Much stuff up on like Naruto, which is a long run series, or they just get lazy. Like, what I mean by lazy, they don't add certain things. Like, for example, a lot of games die because they won't add stuff from Upper Moons. They just add breathing styles, couple demon arts, and bam, you're over. Like, why don't you take advantage from the Upper Moons? I rarely see Demon Slayer games with Upper Moons. Now, recently Demon Slayer RPG 2 added Huntengu, which for those who don't know is Upper Moon 4. And that was pretty cool. That was pretty interesting. That made me want to check out the game because I'm like, whoa, no other Demon Slayer game adds Huntengu. So let me check it out. Those kind of stuff is interesting. And Demon Slayer, Slayers Unleashed, still doing that. Like, so far we rarely got any Upper Moon. I believe we only got 1 and 2 right here. 3, 1, and 2. So we still got all the other ones, and I do feel like they're going to add the other ones. Like even Nakamade, they're probably gonna add, honestly, knowing them. And also boss fights coming along. So I feel like this game is gonna be the Demon Slayer game that's most going to survive for the longest times, due to the fact that they always updating with new bosses, new drops, and new demon arts, breathings, whatever. But you know, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Comment your thoughts on this update, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.